Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. Very, very happy Thursday to you all. As I always say, Om Sai Ram. I always feel I should say happy Thursday also, because Thursday is the day when I bring in Baba's readings and I read. I also work on Sai Satcharitra so that I can bring in some stories. Last time, some of you liked my personal story, which I had said, but today I want to talk about the 9 forms of devotion which Baba talks in his Sai Satcharitra also, because you know when you dedicate yourself to your Guru completely in all forms of devotion, then there is nothing to worry. Baba was a guru for lot many people, for lakhs and lakhs of people out there. So Baba, always remember, Baba is a guru. He will only want to do good for you. He will want to see that you live happily. At the same time, you take care of yourself and you take care of people around you, and you work with dedication. But you need to have Shraddha and Saburi. I have told this in many of my videos. Baba says, have faith and have the patience. If you have these two, then even if there is a thunder or lightning falling on top of you, be rest assured that I am going to be there and I am going to save you, which is true, because Baba always saves his his followers who pray to him and surrender to him completely with faith and patience. He helps them and he always sees to it that they are not harmed. So now, the 9 forms of devotion which I want to talk here. One is Shravana. Now, Shravana is where people read books. For example, if I take in our Baba's case, it's a Sai Satcharitra. So you need to at least read Sai Satcharitra. I don't force people that finish it in 7 days, finish it in 10 days. I just say even read half a page a day, but read Sai Satcharitra, because that is one form which you are devoting to him. Kirtana, every day whenever I sit in the morning, I have this habit of playing some songs. In that, one Baba song I play. I will not say I play only Baba songs, I play even other gods and goddesses songs. Like, I love hearing to Krishna Bhagwan songs, I love hearing Shiva's songs. So, but with that, I always even put Baba's song. So, Kirtana is the second one. Smarna. Smarna is nothing but, if you see me, most of the times I say Baba thank you, or I say Om Sai Ram. So that is where you keep telling his name from time to time. That is more important. So that is why we say Nam Smaran. Pada Seva. Pada Seva is, Guru's charan. We all touch our Guru's feet. You know why? Because Baba's, when you touch the Guru's feet, it is the most divine and the beautiful blessing you can get. And I love, working on Baba's feet. I keep, I also trouble him in his feet, but touching his feet and taking blessings on a daily basis is a blessing in its own way. Archana is the 5th form of devotion, but I don't believe in Archana. But what I do is, sometimes, I will not say daily, sometimes I keep things in front of Baba, what he likes, be it fruits or be it food, and then I give it to people in need, and sometimes I also eat it. So I believe Archana is, my Archana to Baba will be truth towards him, honesty towards him, and at the same time I will keep something that he likes and give it to people. I prefer stray dogs here because I know Baba loves dogs, so I prefer giving it to stray dogs. So you can also give it to stray dogs. Then comes Vandana. Now, Vandana is bowing before him. When you, not only Baba, even I had my own Guru. Bowing before Guru is getting 100 times of blessing. So there's nothing wrong to bow in front of the Guru. Even if your Guru is younger to you, elder to you, no matter what, if you take him or her as a Guru, then bowing to them is 100 times of blessings you get. So I always just fold my hands and, say, I just bow my head to Baba, and I feel Baba is happy and Baba is blessing me thousands of times back. The 7th one is service, dasya. Now here, service should be service to some sort of humanity or humankind. I seriously don't believe in doing a donation or helping someone and going to in socializing and showing people that I'm doing it. But even if you are, giving a dress to a poor person who's wearing a torn clothes, that is service to human, and that is service to Baba. If you feed an animal on the road, that is service to Baba. If you help someone in need, people don't need to know. In when I was young, I used to always hear, at my home, saying that whatever your right hand donates, even your left hand should not know. So I strongly believe in that. So just do whatever service you can do to humanity, and Baba is going to bless you. And eighth one is something which is very 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 close to me, is friendship, sakhya with Baba. I strongly believe in that. I have told many a times, I fight with him, I shout at him, I cry to him, I even pamper him, everything I do to him. And at the same time, I know that if Baba is angry with me, I will automatically come to know that he's angry with me and he will punish me. The last one, Atma Nivedan. Now, when we say Atma Nivedan, is complete surrender. Some people come and say, Baba, I prayed to Baba. Why Baba didn't listen to me? Why Baba didn't do this to me? Believe me, if it was not meant for you, that is the reason Baba is not doing it for you, or else he has no personal grudge against you. He is such a pure soul that he will only say, have faith in the Almighty, have faith in me, and whatever happens, I am there for you. You might not get what you want, but I will definitely give what is good for you. I will not keep you away from the good you deserve, but I will not give you the bad, even if you ask, because I know for now you will be happy, but later you're going to suffer. So I guess I spoke a lot today when I was talking about the 9 forms of devotion of Baba. Do these 9 forms and see how Baba is going to love you, and Baba is going to be with you. So let's see what Baba is going to say in forms of the card today. Manifestations. Help is at hand. Baba appears in many forms. This is there. As I said, even do the devotion the way I'm saying, and Baba is just going to help you. Baba is going to take care of you, and Baba is going to give you 10 times more than what you actually are expecting. I'm going to pull 3 cards actually. Equality. Treat everyone equally. This I also strongly believe, because end of the day we all have to go up, and we all have to face one white light on top, be it rich or poor. Let's see, this card had come out on its own, so I said 3 cards. Omnipresence. He will come to your aid whenever you need him. So I told you this. So I always have this feel, when I kept the name of my house as Dwarka Mai, I had promised when someone comes here with need, I will help them. Same way, whenever I am in need, Baba always helps me. So today, maybe today, start with these things. Start reading Sai Satchatra. If you don't have a book, then even go online and read half a page about Baba today. Start hearing 1 or 2 of his songs. In today, whenever you get time, just say Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram. Feed a stray animal. Keep that food in front of Baba and feed it to a stray animal. Do this good deed and see how you will see life is changing for you, and you will know how Baba is blessing you. So I shall end my Baba's message with this, and I hope Baba blesses you all. Baba gives you all the happiness that you desire, and Baba fulfill all your wishes. Om Sai Ram.